Well, good morning, everyone. I see the hummingbird down there at the feeder. I did put out fresh nectar yesterday. Probably do it again tomorrow with this heat. It spoils quick. Yesterday was the first time I dumped it that I noticed it smelled a little fermented. Definitely needed to be replaced. I see a butterfly down on the butterfly bush. A yellow swallowtail, that's great. Don's on his Friday morning conference call, and we'll try to get out to the gym when he's done with that. It's an hour call, and this has got the customer on it, and he's doing a lot of talking, so yeah, hope that goes good for him. We had at least 1/10 of an inch, maybe 2/10 of an inch of rain last night. It was a really loud thunder, and north of us, like I'm sure downtown Raleigh, they got pummeled. I would have liked more than 1/10 of an inch, to be honest, because we've got like 5 days of pretty hot and no rain coming, where I could be having to start watering things. So I would have liked more like 1/2 an inch last night before that heat, but I'll take what we got. I was really glad that it actually rained. Hi, Gray. Good morning. How's my sweet girl? You good? Here you go. It's fresh chicken. Yeah, fresh chicken. Hi, baby girl. Come here. You're always making me come so far that way. Come here. You got a scratch? Come here, sweet pea. Good girl. Good girl. All right, let's go feed the outside kitties. Hi, guys. Hi. Oh, such big stretches in the morning. Such big stretches. Hi, Mart Man. Hi. Marty and Stripe slept really well in the house last night. They never asked to go out before we got up at 8. So that was a little unexpected. A couple of ants. Hi, guys. Morris. Hi, honey. Hi, Stripey. He's always rubbing up against the post. He goes, I'm a happy boy. I'm a happy boy. I decided I wanted to work down here today, pulling stilk grass and trimming up and stuff. I do plan to mostly stay in the part that's in the shade. Don's working. He's fasting, so it's really because of me, but it might be better for him too. We'll go to the weight room tomorrow.
So it's a beautiful day, you know, and I'm down here and look who's working over here.
Yeah, Don brought me water.
Yeah.
I asked him to come check on me between 60 and 90 minutes, bring me water, make sure I'm about the only place in the yard that he wouldn't be able to hear me is down here.
That's right.
Up near the house, no problem.
Yeah.
With the A or shouting. But.
That's right. But I have to say the humidity is real low. Look, it's hot out here, but it's not in the shade. It's bearable. So my girl
washcloth, I've had to wipe the hair and the sweat off of my face a couple of times.
Yeah.
But it's not. It's 10 degrees cooler here in the shade by the creek than it is over there in the hot sun farther away from the creek. So I might dart over there for a minute and pull, and then I'm like, it's kind of like coming back on this side, kind of like jumping in the swimming pool.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, well, when I walked down here, I felt it, and then it's like, woo.
Feels nice over here.
Yeah, it
but
does.
It feels horrible over there.
That's right. Well, I'll be out here maybe tomorrow helping her, but I'm still working today.
Yeah. Well, it's 1:30, so I've been out here about 2.5 hours. I got done everything I wanted to do for today. So this area here in the sun, right out, straight out the center, needs a little more work, but it's in pretty good shape again. It's so much nicer in the shade. Well, I sure have enjoyed the purple lavender Rose of Sharon flowers. I do think I see my first Japanese beetle. It is June. flubbed up that recording, but you guys get it. The Japanese beetles are here, and I'll be starting to kill them every chance I get. I'm fixing to walk the yard, and is that a good cool spot down there, Stripey? I'm fixing to walk the yard and put out lavender. Yeah, thanks for moving out of that hot sun, Morris. He had mostly come over when I came out to greet me, but I don't want to leave him over there in the heat. Hey, bud. Hi. Hi. Yeah, well, that's when they lay on the ground, it really pulls all of the, oh my goodness, you guys are just too cute. It really pulls a lot of the heat out of them, and they're very comfortable laying in the dirt, especially when we've had good rain and it's kind of a little damp. Hi. Yeah, well, there's Morris getting a belly rub. Hi, bud. He's gotten to be such a sweetheart. But we're not going to have rain for a few days, so I'm going to walk the whole yard. I must have, what, 30 or 40 sachets. I'm going to put lavender oil on them and try to ward off the deer. I am headed up to Lowe's to get rocks and a couple of pavers to go under my big plant pots, and I have a pickup order. So Dawn's still working, and it's hot. It's not really a great time to go, but it is what it is. Counting on Ruby to keep me cool in the car. As much as I'm tempted to head straight for the plants, I'm gonna go inside and get my pickup item first. I did get my A hat, not my hat, but A hat out of the frunk. Ruby said it was like 88 on the way over here. It's really Monday and Tuesday that are supposed to be super hot, possibly 100. We'll see. I would have coneflower all over my yard if the deer didn't eat them like they were candy. I love them. And so do the deer. Rocks, pavers, clearance plants, and a few impatiens. This is salvia and impatient. Wow, that's pretty. Seriously pretty. I'm all loaded up. The air conditioning feels good. Climate on is a godsend. We are
about to eat.
Cooking in the kitchen.
Right.
Oh,
Yum.
God, sometimes this camera just doesn't cooperate. We got Vidalia onions and pork barbecue and guacamole and
Absolutely.
stuff that you need to make it just right.